Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete contact on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to delete contacts on Skype gives you control over your contact list and help maintain your privacy, security, and organization within the app. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, enter to the Skype app on your device. After that, enter to the contact tab here, and then long press on the contact you want to remove. Next, select the last option here. Click once again. And the contact is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to delete contact on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.